Okay, been in there for 4 minutes. Ghost in the machine. Oh, Jesus, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at this. You can't tell me that don't look good. Look at that. You can tell it's moist. It moves away from the edge. Oh, look at that. Nice, crispy, crunchy top. I want to just try the cheese real quick. Oh, I got a piece of sun-dried tomato. That is just good. There is no way to explain this other than damn. Mm. Take the stuff from your HelloFresh, throw it in something else, and just mix a bunch of crap in. Works every time. So, yeah, that's ridiculously good. I mean, there's nothing in here that you could say is bad. So, oh, even the jalapeno in there, the Frank's Red Hot. Oh yeah, it's getting to a point where it's like you can taste it in the mouth, and it moves right down the neck, but then it kind of just sits there and culminates. And you can still taste it in your mouth. It's just now it's more roof of your mouth and the base versus the cheeks or the tongue. You know, all depends on where it hits, but this is more the roof of the mouth, and you can definitely taste it going down your throat. It's phenomenal. All right, guys, that's it. I'm gonna go eat, especially while it's hot. Take your HelloFresh and put a bunch of stuff with it, especially if you have leftovers.